Right, we just got to the quad biking spot. Sean's going on the Polaris Phoenix. It's 200cc. And I think we're going on these. Alright guys, we're currently doing a quad bike tour. We're going to Wapo Lake. And we're going to go do some sick off-road quad biking. Cheers. Very unique quad biking experience. Look at that, little baby. Now we've got to a viewpoint. We just finished the quad bike tour and it was so fun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was so much fun. Quad biking is definitely one of my favourite things. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.